Oh yay!
Episode 20, my dude. That's a big,
I know,
yeah, 20
crazy,
episodes. Yeah,
good milestone.
yeah.
Funny. I was actually thinking about that. I was thinking maybe we should do something a little bit different for our 20th, but whatever.
We'll do it
Well,
for, I don't know, we'll find another arbitrary number
I
to.
know exactly right.
25 is just as good of a round of a
Sure
number.
is. Sure is. 23, 27. We'll just come up with something.
Maybe for 25, that'll be the 8 hour long stream of a hackathon.
Hmm. That would be amazing.
Yeah, yeah, cool. Alrighty. Just want to double check everything is live. I see
I
green
don't have a,
bars. No notification from you.
not yet.
Okay. I think I
Oh,
heard
I think
it.
I just got something. There it is.
Sweet,
So
sweet.
volume is good. Any viewers?
No viewers. And last time we had two concurrent viewers yet last time, and like for like maybe 30 seconds each, and then one person said hi.
Really?
Yeah.
And we're like, nope, we don't recognize people in this
Yeah, yeah,
channel.
yeah. No, no, no. I wish I saw. I would have said something back, but then I also can't tell if they're real people or not ever. Like I try to
But
like stalk them
yeah,
a little bit, and I'm like I can't tell.
yeah.
And one other thing, I looked into how to overlay chat onto our stream, so that's not a problem. But then we'll still never. I was then going and doing all the reconnaissance and research on that, and I was like, but we'll never see the chat because I'm looking at another screen. Like, even if I overlaid it on our stream, it doesn't make a difference if that makes sense.
No, not to me.
So, but you're not watching our stream, are you?
I'm not. No, because I have all this other stuff going on.
Right. So then, how would it make a difference to you if somebody chats and it appears?
Oh, I thought you were watching it. That's what I meant.
Now I am. Oh, now I am, and I have
Oh,
it up the whole time. But then we were working, and I didn't notice them say hi. But I was noting the feature overlay of when we're streaming, and you have like the chats popping up. That's cool for like people who are actively watching the stream, but it wouldn't help us see more stuff. That was the only thing that I was thinking about.
we'll have to look into how to make it interactive at some point.
There, people aren't working at the same time. They just have the chat around, you know.
No, like Mason Dodd and his channel, he's doing it.
Maybe
He's doing drafts and stuff.
he's doing drafts. Oh, but then
Yeah,
he's probably just literally looking at it back and forth the whole time. Okay.
could be.
God damn.
All I know is like the chat is off screen and
Hmm.
then he's doing his draft and then every once in a while he'll pop up like one of the chats on screen so you can see it.
Yeah, I've seen that as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So I don't
Well,
know how all that magic works.
I can put it dead. I have the chat dead center. So if anyone shows up, come talk to us. But yeah, I'll
You're
have
on it.
to. Yeah, very very distracting to have to look at so many screens. So I'll have to figure out a better
I know.
workflow.
I know. I feel for you.
Mhm.
What are we talking about today?
Let's get the God creation tool working to an awesome point. Maybe that'll be, and then we'll. That's another app we got going, which is really cool.
What were you drinking there? Holy cow, I just noticed it.
It's the
It's
same
like,
green tea thing, but I just have lemons in it.
oh, okay. You're drinking pickle juice or something.
No, no, I Becca can pull that off. I can't. It's really hard.
Okay.
It's too briny. I've had
Isn't
like a
pickle juice
briny lemonade though, which was pretty cool.
isn't pickle juice used for some health benefit or something?
Yeah, there's like I think maybe like muscle cramping and all kinds of stuff. Like the athletes definitely pound a shot back or something like that. I'm not making that up. Yeah, yeah.
You're not?
No, I'm not. I'm
That's
not. I'm
an
not.
athlete thing?
It's like an athlete thing. Yeah, and because think about
Oh
it,
my
it's like you're
gosh.
getting a shot of like concentrated Gatorade, right?
All right, so God mode. What do we want to focus on?
We want to fire up the God Mode app again, which I believe should just be npm run dev. That'll be in that other repo. It's in the same repo, but
Oh,
off of the. Yeah,
we're not
yeah, yeah. And let me
we're not
fire up
here.
linear as well. One second.
Game creation tool. We're doing a run dev. Was it a super base on it or just npm run dev?
I think it should just be npm run dev. I
Yeah.
am 95% sure, and I could be wrong.
Okay. That's interesting. I forget. I've already forgotten like Why is it asking me to log in here?
Oh, you don't have to do it in there. You just have it off to the side. This is just
I
a
do.
browser
That's why
instance, right?
yeah, I'm confused.
Yeah, you don't need to. You're good.
Why is it asking me to? Oh, that's right. This was the
Yep.
thing.
Yep. Just to remind you, we have a couple bug-a-ronskis. We have. Let's see. Tool
You sure I don't have to log in?
tips. Oh, you do need to log in for sure on the browser side. I don't know why Cursor throws up its own browser instance on the side. That's what I meant.
It didn't bring up the ability. Interesting, it did.
It's probably because you already logged in earlier.
Yeah,
And
it's using the
it
session
just carried
info.
exactly. It just carried that same cookie and token over. You're still good. But then on the browser, I don't know why Cursor popped open a random little browser instance for you.
What's interesting, it's not connecting to the database.
Oh no. Okay. Then
You
let's
sure we don't have to
just.
do Supabase on
I
it?
am not sure. Let me double check. I remembered we didn't need to do the separation on those two. I said 95% sure, so I had an out in case. I'm popping it open. Game creation tool. We have npm run dev. Yeah, it should just be npm run dev.
What I did. For some reason, the bearer token is coming back, and I'm getting a cores issue.
I think this would be a good opportunity to just slash everything out again and then re-log in out of the sesh. Yeah. Cool. And that should hopefully be better.
Oh, this is. Ah.
Oh, dude, I know what it is. We're not running the backend.
Oh, because
Yeah. We need to run all. We need to run the
yeah,
API. Yep.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then give me a second. I am looking on Linear to see what we said needed to be worked on because I remember there was a couple things with the routing. That was I still remember that. Fuck, how do you search for things on Linear? Okay. Unfortunately, I cannot find the God mode stuff. Okay. I seem to have only documented one bug for God mode, and it's like the least useful one. So apologies. I
No
remember there's
worries.
a lot more stuff.
Let me do that. And let me come back in here. Let's go into our game creation tools, and then let's do an npm run dev, run that. I just log out, log in. Skills, NPCs, can't navigate. There we go. At least you
Yep.
can get to them now.
Yep. So I
Oh,
remembered. Maybe we could do a quick QA sesh on what needs to get done. I remembered. So ignoring the known bug where I believe it's if you start on items you can't then navigate the other one. So we have that. I don't
yep.
worry. We both know that one. Can we maybe test what needs to get done? Like, does items and stuff work? I don't remember.
Well, let's do this.
Yeah,
Let's
sorry
create.
for this cancerous UI that it threw up.
I
Oh man,
know. You barely read it here.
it's so difficult. We'll tell it immediately like this sucks, dude. Come on.
Let's create an item called. Oh, I can't even type.
Okay, good bug. Okay, I see it. All right, let me note that real quick. One, can't type into the inputs. I remember that as
Oh,
well.
and I can't even select. Can't select from the drop down.
Can't select from drop downs. Okay. 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 Ready for a prompt? Any other things we want to? Any other things we want to? Any other things we want to pick out? I remembered, if I recall, NPCs was working. Maybe we can try to make an NPC again and skip. Maybe we can try one of each thing. Or I guess I have enough to start for us for our plan mode.
Uh, let's see here.
And do a hard
Crap.
refresh. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
One thing that I'd love to add is the stats. We don't have to, but that would be nicer than going into the database and editing it.
Absolutely. You said you wanted something here. You said specifically for stats.
Yeah. Yep.
Could you spell that out for me? I'm sorry.
Yeah. So every character has 10 statistics, might, vitality, agility, speed, luck, intellect, wisdom,
Mm-hmm.
ego, empathy, and allure. I just want to be able to edit those here. We can have some default values for them if we want, but I'd love to be able to change them.
So those statistics should be in here, and they're just not right. Okay.
That's correct.
Added to the NPC tab page, I believe is what we said. Okay. Um, okay, cool. Well, I threw this down. I'm gonna throw that into Discord for you. What I think could be useful is us adding some data column rows as well, just to tell the AI how to kind of navigate.
So let's see here. Can't type in the inputs. There's routing issue. Can't select from drop downs. So light mode UI is unreadable. Sure is. Um, and then every character has 10 statistics. You're saying I should add what to it though? What were we
Maybe we
thinking?
give it an NPC database row, and I can open up Supabase for you for that. One second, let me have that up as well. Then both of us
Do you
are
think
in.
it needs it for this?
I'm
Maybe for the last one, you mean?
Yeah, I err on the side of giving it as much context as possible for the planning phase.
Well, let's
Yeah,
wait on that then.
sure,
Let's wait on the 10 statistics so we don't have to do the database row yet.
sure. I can live with that. Then I think that's a decent prompt to start with, and then we can do a ask me any
Yep.
clarifying questions or whatever, just to see how this motherfucker feels.
Yep.
It's Monday. Let's see if he's slow.
Fine
And I have
question.
the DB
Oh,
up
I
as
can't
well.
even spell. What's that?
Oh, sorry. I was saying I have the DB up as well now, so I should
Okay.
have a pretty good search.
Um, you want to do plan or just agent?
I say plan. I say plan.
And do we want a new branch or just on main?
Let's do it on main.
Okay.
How's the water challenge going? Is that all you're drinking still?
Yep, that's all I'm drinking.
We'll do a hackathon where
All
we
I've had.
we have to take a shot of wine or something every time we make a prompt.
Oh, speaking of which,
hmm
I gotta do this. Doing this off screen for right now, but then haha.
Oh, good call out. Ooh, I'm gonna look at this plan and I'm gonna say that there is no way that it's gonna get it on this first try today. It's Monday.
Uh, GC tool updates.
I'm glad you remember. This is fun.
There ain't no way.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, I'm not sure that it fully understands what it needs to do.
Yeah. That's why I'm hoping he asks for clarifying questions, Junior. This is important information. There we go. Cool.
Oh, I did.
Yeah. In-game admin panel. Oh, let's just do just just that one.
We're not even using this
I would
anymore.
actually do a D other and just say we're not worried about app front end is what I would say. Standalone, I would say yeah. Only what is it called? Game creation tool. Game dash creation dash tool. Yeah. Cool.
We're not worries. See, this is why I need to use Whisper and not type.
Mm-hmm. Is Whisper working for you? Mine broke all of a sudden, and I have it up. It just doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, you have to shut it down and bring it back up.
We expect too much
Close
out
it
of our
all.
software.
Close it all the way down in Task Manager, whatever you're using, and
Oh gosh.
or you can always just restart your machine,
That's
whatever.
probably what's gonna have to happen for me. All right, Whisper, you got knocked today. You weren't working that well. Cool. Let's see what this plan is. Yeah. Reset form is wrapped in. Okay. Reasonable. Yeah, we don't need parity in front end. Light mode, unreadable tabs, set color. Cool, thank you.
What? Okay, whatever. I don't know what any of that
Yeah, I
means.
say it's fine. I'm gonna let it explore. It needs to fix this. This is like, if it's something that I can manually do in like 30 minutes, it should be able to do it here. Fuck it, let it fly.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't know.
I'm sure it'll make improvements. Do you have a tomorrow off by the way, or
What's tomorrow?
formerly known as Cesar Chavez Day? It's now Farm Workers Day.
No,
No
I
worries, no
do not.
worries. Yeah, yeah. Because a lot of my friends they're working today and are off tomorrow, and it's like a weird like you have to come back from
Tuesday.
yeah you have 2 Mondays basically right or half a Friday. I don't know how you want to think about that.
Don't get a lot of Tuesday holidays.
Yeah, they're rare. You would think that for capitalism's sake, you would have thrown on a Monday so people don't have to context switch or something, right?
That's right. Oh my goodness. Oh, I worked out at lunch, so a little bit
Nice,
sore.
nice, dude. You're putting in hard work then if you're feeling sore.
Either that or I'm just old.
Por que no los dos, right? I hear you.
Exactly right. 100%. 100% true. So I have this Ninja smoothie blender thingy. And, that's where I do my protein shakes, and I'll put a banana in it and some frozen fruits or whatever the case may be. But I'm always running out of cups. So it only came with three cups.
Mm-hmm.
And so usually I'll have 4 or 5 smoothies during the week, and I hate just hand washing everything. So I went to order 3 more replacements yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it said that it's done.
Let's check it out. Did the replacements show up yet?
They showed up this morning. All right, this is for reals.
Let's do it. Step 1, click on items. Step 2, route, motherfucker. Didn't do the white thing at all. It looks a little better.
Yeah, it's not as bad.
Yeah, it looks like a early 2000s app. I can live with that. Is it routing? Oh, it's routing.
It is, but why did it change the skills and stuff now? That's so weird.
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
Skills wasn't white
I see.
background before,
Okay,
but now it is.
got it. Then I
So it
at
made it
least.
like this.
Yeah, I understand.
I don't get it. What did we ask it? Can't type into the inputs. Well, let's see if we can type. Oh, we can type now. Sorry, I'm trying to bring up.
No, you're good. I'm actually really impressed that it figured out the routing. Technically, so far, it has done everything.
Let's check something out here. I'm off screen. I'm looking at something. Yeah, it's just what I'm looking at. Just FYI. I'm just looking at this item sheet, and I was just going to try to make this bone chips.
No, I hear you. You
Item.
wanted to make a real one just to start. Yep.
Yep. Just because it's going to be added to the database. Min-level value. What's the value of bone chips these days? 1 copper? Holy cow. I hate that so much. What's the weight of bone chips? Also 1? Also 1 on weight.
What is a bone chip?
So when we kill a skeleton, you're going to get bone chips.
Okay.
You're going to get bone meal and bone chips.
Ooh, that's pretty specific, actually. That's cool. I'm only used to like skeleton bones as just one item.
Yeah. I wonder if I even have.
I wouldn't worry about that because we need a CD in it anyway.
That's true.
Cool. Validation error. Let's see what we got. Can you hit up your network tab?
I was going to go out to the...
Okay.
I was just going to see if there was something here.
Oh, good call. That'll work.
What? I don't know what this means.
I don't know either.
Must be equal to constant? Body category?
Maybe the shape is wrong. Could you go to the network tab? Actually, I want to see what the payload is that we sent. Just hit create item again, yeah. All right, let's see what this guy is complaining about. That looks pretty solid. Okay, and the response, if you could click one more time.
Yeah.
Keyword const validation error must equal to what the I don't know what that means. I just say copy and paste both of those things and say I don't know what this is. That's what I would do. I would just be like this.
Yeah.
I'm glad he's going to do that comparison. So I've been reading a lot about how certain engineers are now running like 1,000,000 prompts at a time. I've been good about running multiples when I'm running 2 different repos, but or not 2 different repos, but 2 different, like if I'm working on the API versus the front end, I can run 2 at once. How are people running 20? I actually don't even know because the features would be conflicting when the code is running around trying to make things happen.
Now that's where your coordinator comes in and makes sure that everything all syncs up properly.
Geez, so what's that? Do they even have a setup like a workflow example for that already? So you could just say, "Here's all the things I'm working on." It just starts sprinting on
Yep.
its own. Okay,
Yep.
interesting. I have not gotten that far.
That's the new hotness.
Okay.
Let's see here. That's what we should probably be doing.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, I'm uploading bone chips to the CDN, just
Okay.
FYI.
Okay.
So now bone chips are there. So what did it do?
Cool. It's grabbing a enum from the backend, so at least it'll follow. I bet it was missing something. Required on create optional. Cool. What do you think the issue was? If you can scroll up, we can read what he said was the issue.
Yeah, I'm not sure what.
Still using old. I see. Okay. Okay. Cool. Just missing stuff.
Okay. Well, it makes me wonder what other enumerations it's missing. Because there's item types and.
Yeah. Once again, I'm going to say create a cursor rule that if game creation tool is trying to add things, it references at bracket for correct types / etc. I don't want any more validations. Okay. So in theory, we can create something now and it'll be fine. That's the hope.
Well, in theory, I should just be able to hit create.
Yep.
Actually, I'm going to do this.
Wait, what is this? Non-stop. Okay, there is.
I know.
That's not good.
No.
There
Why is it doing that while I'm typing?
Fetching / posting while I'm into the image input. Okay. That looks like a rendering issue.
Should I try to save this and I'll do those prompts?
Yeah, exactly. Don't worry, I'm queuing those prompts up for next.
Yep.
Looks like we were good. So now let's check the DB.
Yep.
This would be under items, right? Items.
Yeah.
And I see bone chips. Looks like we're doing okay.
Oh, you already had it open?
Yeah, I have it on my side as well. Yeah, I have it on the side. I see bone chips. I presume it wasn't already there. I don't see a creation date. Yes, I do. 3/31. Today's the 30th. Odd. Yeah. I'm sure that's UTC.
Yeah, that's yeah, 5/29. Yeah.
Yep. Cool.
And this all looks correct. Craft, the images all look correct. Blah,
awesome.
Blah, blah.
Hey, good start. Good start. Good start. Okay.
This durability here needs to be null, just for what it's worth, instead of 0. So it's just a tiny thing.
Can you go back to the input field on the app? I want to know why it would have thrown 0 then. I just wanted to see if that was... Oh, I see. So if we write... Okay. Was it defaulted to 0 or did you write 0?
It was defaulted to 0.
Should we default it to null? Is that what you're thinking?
It should default to indestructible like this if empty. It should default to nothing at all.
Indestructible. No. I see. Okay. So right now on the create item page, durability is defaulted to 0, it should just be empty, and if there's nothing passed, input, it should be null. Okay, that might need editing, just your double check, but I think we're good. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's try a skill. You know what? Actually, by the way, I'm pretty sure. Technically, I think it crushed that first prompt. I think it.
Well, so that's what I'm just looking at. Can't type into inputs. We certainly can. There's
Yes.
a routing issue. It seems to fix that. Can't select from drop downs. We definitely did that. The light mode UI is unreadable on same tab pages. Is that supposed to be some tab pages? Probably.
Maybe, yeah. And it technically did it correctly. It is more readable.
Yep. Yep. So what that tells me? Hey, where'd it go?
I think we technically lost. I think it technically
We
won.
did.
Yeah.
We technically, incorrectly underestimated our AI friend.
So far, we haven't nailed a single one yet because the first two had to get recounted.
We're so good at this game. We're amazing.
We should just start fading our own. If we fade our own choices, we'll do better. Actually, we'll do the opposite of what we believe. All right.
Before we do skills, let's do the every character has 10 statistics thing, since I don't want to drop the ball on that one.
Sure. How about we'll enter planning mode for a bunch of new stuff again? I think that's the move.
Okay. All right. On the character creation, let's do, and then let me go grab that from the database too. Since you were saying that it's probably better to have like some sort of
reference,
like
and
this.
then I also threw in a bunch of little things. Let's create a cursor rule too, where it starts looking at the back end for guidance, because it seems to be making some of this shit up on its own. So I think the last ones I threw in are all worth throwing in.
Do you want to do this all right now?
I say it's worth it. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's the data.
Mm-hmm.
Then we want to do this. Create a cursor rule, blah, blah, blah. If I don't want it to... There's a non-stop phishing issue, blah, blah, blah. Right now, there's create item page, durability is default to... Okay, you want me to try all these?
Yes.
Go AI. Oh,
what's wrong? Oh, I'm gonna say it's gonna. Oh God, I'm gonna say no.
Okay.
I'm gonna say it's gonna miss one thing. Yeah, I know. I feel like I want to say yes, but I'm fading myself.
Hey, to be fair, we are wrong on every single one. So this one of us will be right.
That is absolutely right.
Yeah. So I just got it done.
Oh, can you drop down that terminal a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Yep. Nice. Cool. Okay. Do we want to extend the back end? I don't know if I want that updated at all.
I guess I don't know what this is, but we absolutely need to extend it with stats because there's character stats on NPCs.
Oh, okay. So then that's why maybe it was missing before, because it might have referenced it in the past and it wasn't there. So now it needs to be extended to have it. I could see that being an argument.
There's absolutely everything. Like the stats and the resistances should absolutely be on the NPC data stuff. It doesn't need available points because you're not creating a character and having points available.
So maybe we just delete that out of there right now.
Yeah.
And then I have one more idea for the cursor rules section once we get there. I just thought about. Okay, looks good then. I'm cool with it.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
This is correct. Get
Okay.
starting stats for the race. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you go down, oh yeah, that all looks fine. Cool. It's nice that it's writing tests. Okay. Can you add another bullet point after 4 items? I would want to write if there are changes to at backend that affect game creation tool, update game creation tool to reflect those new changes. Okay, when adding our HTTP payment, first open the matching scheme is cool. Excellent. Yeah. Cool.
Stop. Fetch
Yeah,
select.
I don't know why it would have been fetching. That was crazy. Okay. Why is it even fetching? Oh, maybe it wants to show you the image? I don't know.
It does. Yes, absolutely, it does. That's what you're supposed to do.
Okay. But it shouldn't
100%.
but it
That's
shouldn't
how it
be
worked when I was running it locally. When you typed in the path to the image or to the item, it would immediately show up.
okay. Then I guess
But
it's
since
technically been working.
everything now is out on the CDN, we would have to fetch from the CDN.
But right now it's doing fetches randomly, not to the CDN. Oh, sorry. If you were manually typing it out like you were, then it's just hitting fetches to random places that don't bother us. So I guess technically it's working as intended until we want to make it look nicer later.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I can live with that. So we're just throttling it. Okay. I can
Yeah,
live
it's
with
just a
that.
bouncing at.
Yep. I
Yeah.
can live with that.
Oh, that's the other thing. You already have a bug for this, right? For
I
torches. Torches have 2 images.
let me double check. I remember noting that.
Thought you did.
I don't see anything. You said torches have 2 images. Was that the on and off thing?
Yep, that's the on and off thing.
I do not have anything with torch. I wonder what I would have wrote.
So you can kind of see on my screen there are 2 images here: pine torch off and pine torch on.
So what would you describe that as? Because I remembered that was a thing. Does it almost feel like we need to have a setting for each item should have up to 2 images? Is that what it is? Or
Just for light sources, it was already in code for that. It was working at one point, so there should already be for light sources the ability to have 2 different images.
Okay, I have this one here. I did note it. This is gonna it used to be working, but we lost so much random shit.
I know.
Like the 8 steps forward,
Yep.
12 steps back.
Yep.
So I think this
Absolutely.
is worth noting now somehow. I think now is the time. I think it's worth noting it now somehow. Or we can build and then come right back to this immediately.
Yeah, we'll come back to this one.
Yeah. We can do
back
this
to the
because
light
this can
source
immediately be the next one that we fix, maybe. Yeah.
Yep.
Make sure to hit save beforehand, but I think this looks good. Concise.
It thinks that it's null. I don't think I typed 0 though. I may have tabbed through it. I was using the keyboard, so maybe when I tabbed through it set it to 0.
Okay. Well, we can call him out right now. How about this? Try to create a new item and see what durability is. Let's call his ass out. Because maybe it does do a random thing, and what it is that we just don't want it to set it.
Well, it's certainly showing as indestructible right now.
So if you click it, okay.
Yep.
I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you.
Yep.
At least we told it.
It is what it is.
Yeah, at least we told it.
Yep. We told it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So,
Did you hit save on this?
uh, did I hit save?
I'll just do a Command S and just click
Oh, I see
build.
what you're saying.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then
On
when it,
this on this file.
yep, and it's ready to go.
All right.
Now we have a cursor rule in place because we're noticing it's not always syncing up the backend. So at least now they'll presumably be working together.
So this is technically part 2 here, right?
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
This is part 2,
This
right?
is this build that we're doing right now. This is this prompt, right? Yep.
Yeah. And you have no faith.
I've lost hope. I bet it's gonna work. I bet it's gonna work. I want to say it's gonna work, but that's why I don't think it's gonna work. I have to fade myself at this point if I'm trying to get some wins on the column. I gotta be a little riskier if I want to make moves.
We're over 3, I guess, technically.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's the other thing. We kind of need like a tracker of some sort. Like, I wonder if there's a way to do this.
Yeah, it is. Use like as you add in yeses and nos, it'll just keep updating like a tally. We can get there eventually. Yeah, easy
But it has
formula.
to be incorrect color, not yeses and nos, because that doesn't count it. We need to count the format of it.
We can also have another column that just says actual correct
Correct?
answer. Yeah, and
Yeah.
then that'll be easy to figure out as well. But you're because then we don't have to look at. I don't know how. I haven't used Excel in like 20 years, so I would presume color isn't one that I could do, and I would be surprised if it's wrong. But we could just say like actually, yeah.
So, and then, yeah.
If you share this with me, I will write a formula to the side for the tallying.
Yeah, I think it's just,
Oh, it's just on the AOD. Okay.
I should be able to share it with you.
Yeah, no worries. I can just if I already have the account, let me just jump in and grab it. Let me see.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. Cool.
Okay.
All right. While you're doing that, I'll add the tally.
I saw your linear ticket. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it says that it's done. It's a good point. I didn't actually see, it may have saved it as 0 when it actually saved to the database, even though it was null.
Okay. That's definitely possible. So we just need to make sure that's more
Yeah.
of another thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it says that it's done. I guess we test it. You getting your formula on here?
I'm trying. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I know you want some cool shit, and we'll work on that, Steve. We gotta do two things at once now.
All right. New item. We're gonna do bone meal. Let's do bone meal. So much better. All right. Craft. Part. Common. Inventory slot. Minimum level 1 value 2. Weight 1. Variability instructable image. Oh, that's the other thing I guess we should check. Inspect this. Network. No, it's still doing it. It's every single time I type.
Okay. It it's probably, but I bet what'll happen is if you slam the keys ridiculously fast, I bet it'll throttle some of them. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is. Because and then
Yeah.
aren't we supposed to see an image that's correct now? Then
Yeah. It depends if it's hitting local though, or if it's hitting the CDN. I think it might be hitting local.
ah, and it should only be hitting the CDN.
Yeah.
Do you care about this right now? Actually, genuine question. I
Nope.
don't think I care because I was just
Not
thinking.
100%.
I think that's a problem for when we're diving deep into creating items, and it's because I don't
Yep.
care about because I mean, do you have all the images? I don't even know how far.
Yeah. Most of them.
Shit, then I kind of care now.
Yeah. I'll upload bone meal right now. Yeah, I just uploaded bone meal for what it's worth. That's what bone meal looks like. And that's what bone chips look like.
Okay, cool.
Most of this stuff has been uploaded. Some of it isn't because we didn't create items for them yet. But what I was going to do is I was going to go in and add them via God mode. Okay. 993, huh?
I'm working.
I would just do this. Okay.
I tried to just send the entire CSV in and say fix this shit and do it all, but
Yeah.
it didn't. It doesn't work like that. Alrighty, we are in maybe a situation. We can clean this up as we go.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So let me go back to our prompt. What was our prompt? Create a cursor rule. So did it create a rule? It
Game
did.
creation tool. I just want to peek at it. Open the backend, source the truth first. Dope. Use domain inventories. I don't know what that means. Do not invent parallel enums or field forms. Yes, that is exactly right. I do not want parallel motherfuckers. One source only. When backend contract. Yep. Awesome. Looks good to me.
There's non-stop fetching, posting. It didn't do it. It didn't fix that.
Okay.
Create item page durability is defaulted to 0. Well, that
it's
was our bad all along. But
yeah.
let me see if it saves. Let's just see if it saves it as 0.
Yeah. Good call out. And it technically did do the debounce work, I'm sure. It's just that it doesn't make a difference. It just doesn't make a difference for what we're asking. So it kind of got it right. All right, let's see. And what was the item that we just added? Bone meal.
I'm about to create it.
Okay. I saw it update. Cool. I see it. I see it. Where's durability? Durability is 0. So we're still. So we need it. We need
So
it.
it's
So it's not up with the form. It's an issue with maybe our
yeah.
API. Yeah.
So yeah, yep, exactly. Durability is 0.
Yeah. I think it technically got it.
I don't think so.
You don't think
Well,
so?
okay,
Oh
yes and
well.
no.
Yeah, it didn't do the lift of figuring out the why and doing a better job, but
I'm gonna give it a yes because I want to see your formula.
yeah.
All right. And then this is a percentage. Same with you. You're a percentage.
Mm-hmm.
It's tough. It's tough out here in the mean streets of AI
Yeah.
coding, vibe coding.
So we have it where right now items that are past no durability um, get set as 0 durability, but instead it should be null. Only set item durability to 0 if 0 was passed. Okay.
We didn't check one thing. I might be.
What were you thinking? Oh yeah, the attributes. Did it get them?
It technically added available points, which is fine. There will
Mm-hmm.
never be available points for an NPC, but that's fine.
Yeah.
It's in the definition of a PC
I
or
think
a character.
it's fine because no, I think you're right. Okay, no, you're right. We would never need. I was trying to think of an isolated scenario, but we can remove that later. That's not too bad either. So maybe we can
No.
say um, remove available points
Honestly,
later, or leave it.
I just leave it. It's
Okay.
fine. So I think it did everything correct.
Mm-hmm. I think so too. It didn't do. It's still doing the offshore programmer. I'm not going to try that hard, but it
Yeah.
did. It did actually do the requirements.
Yep.
So.
Let me just put this one in here. I'm not going to do a plan, but I'm
Sure.
just going to say,
Yeah, we didn't do the light source one yet, just yet, right? Just want to double check.
we have not.
Okay.
So let me do that one. I'm not even going to count this one as a fix. Unless you really want me to add this one as a
No, because no, it's fine. If it can't nail this one, then we have bigger issues.
right. Yeah, if this exactly right. If you can't figure out first try how to pass in a null instead of a 0, we're screwed.
Okay, so then maybe let's do after this. Let's do one more item, maybe as a final checkaronskis, and then
Okay.
I think we're in a good spot to move on to either light source or then to test the other things. I say we test the other things before light source, but I don't know how much that one's bothering you in the moment.
It's not. It's. I'll fix it at some point, so
Mm-hmm.
not that big of a deal.
Okay. Because I'm very curious about the quest dialogue stuff. Because then that opens up conversation around our data shape, basically.
Yeah, I mean that's an important thing.
Yeah.
Do we have beetle eye here? We do not have beetle eye. So we'll add a beetle eye next.
We should try deleting an item too, if you don't mind deleting like bone chips or something, just to see.
Sure, we can do that.
I think that's reasonable QA.
Yeah, I agree.
I love internal tools, dude. If I could just work on internal
Build tools
tools,
all day.
if I could just do internal tools for the rest of my life, that's what I would have wanted to do.
We need plenty of them for this game, that's for sure.
Yeah, I love internal tools. So cool.
You really thought a long time for this. I say we go for it.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I say we delete an item and then create another item.
Yep.
That's probably the process.
Let me just do this. Bone chips.
Mm-hmm.
Delete. Weird UI. But okay.
Yep.
Is it gone?
Which
Is it
one did you
gone?
delete? I'm sorry.
It's gone.
Okay.
No, it's not gone.
So I think there's a possibility that the button was deleting the item below it, not. Sorry. We clicked delete. If you can scroll, yeah. So it clicked. So it looks like it's a. So if you go up to Apple, the delete button looks like it's for
Yeah.
Apple, but the delete button's for Alert's Valor, I think.
Yep.
So I think that's what happened when we deleted it. We deleted the other item. So maybe we can
Which I
try
don't
to.
even know what it was. I don't even
I
remember
have
what
no
it is.
idea, dude. I have no idea. So now with that in mind, we can try to delete Apple, and now we at least know that'd be the one below it.
I know what it was. So
Okay, so you think it was Batwing? I do not see
100%.
Batwing in here right now.
Yep. 100% it was Batwing.
Okay, so we just have to know that delete goes under the item that you want to delete.
We just make this better.
What was that you said?
We just make this better, this UI.
Oh, that's definitely coming. Don't worry. The fact that we had to figure it out that way is already like oof.
Batwing. How much are Batwings worth? They're worth 2 copper. Holy cow.
How
They
did you
are.
come up with these values?
It's all bogus. It's all made up based off of what I think it should be.
Love it.
I'm going to put this in here even though it's not doing it. Items, craft. Because these are already uploaded. Batwing.png. And 100 is the maximum stack size. What were we testing to see if the durability is 0?
That and if we can create items still. We still want to make sure that all is good. Yep. Cool. I'm going to check for bat. Sorry, that was Batwing, correct? I'm also in the DB. Okay. I don't see. I see it.
0 again. Damn it.
Uh-oh. 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 We're in trouble.
Literally cannot figure out how to pass in null.
We should use this context still and say, I just added actually do this. Can you do me a favor? Can you grab the response out of the network tab from when you just ran it? Yeah, I think we need to spoon feed this motherfucker, basically. I'm hoping it's saved, but I'm going to bet it's not there.
I doubt it.
Yeah, maybe you can delete it again if you don't mind rebuilding this guy. Yeah.
Oh, not that one. That's Bat Fang.
Yeah, exactly.
Underneath it.
This one.
Underneath.
This one.
Batwing.
Cool. Let's try building Batwing again, and then we'll save it.
Gone. Yeah.
Cool. Hey, this is going well. This is fine.
Yeah.
But AI can't nail it on the first try. You still have to do it. We're almost manual QA testers mostly.
I know. I wonder why it stays gray.
Have you been noticing that? I haven't noticed that yet.
It's the first time I've seen it.
Okay.
I used autocomplete, so I'm wondering if it had something to do with that.
Can you Control A and delete and then type in Batwing manually? I just want to do some manual QA. And if you type Batwing.
Yeah.
Right.
Literally, if I do it from the autocomplete drop down, it changed it to gray.
How random. Okay.
So random.
How random. Okay, and then let's see what that thing is. Cool.
Yeah, same. Yeah, anytime I do autocomplete it.
Yeah, this part we'll have to talk about from a UI standpoint, but right now it's not problematic. It's more just like we need to think about, do we want to upload an image through a upload drop, or do we want to, however. Yeah.
All right. So let's create the image network. We want to see the response body from
I want to see the response. Yep. Cool. Should be one of the two hundos.
Durability 0.
Okay. So I would go right now still when I create an item, durability is set to 0.
But not in the payload in the request payload, it actually is null.
Oh shit.
The response payload is 0. So on the back end, the actual server is causing it to go from null to 0.
Okay. I think I follow. I saw the one where it was set to 0. Was that coming from the tool? That's what I thought.
That was the response. That was the response to the API call.
Oh, so the server's turning. Okay, well that was the original assumption
Yeah.
that we had. Okay,
Yeah.
so I would just provide a payload. I would just grab this payload and say like, I got you. 1 second. This is the current payload sent by game creation tool. Somewhere on backend still. It is setting.
To be fair, I didn't restart the backend server.
It shouldn't need it, but it's worth just crushing and starting over. I think it just didn't do it correctly. It shouldn't need it. It's I have we have like watchers on it and stuff that'll update.
That's what I thought. That's why I haven't been
Mhm.
crushing it.
Yeah,
Let me go grab this payload.
yeah. I think he's being a punk.
Uh, we should have had the first time tracker on this one.
We should have. We would have both gotten that wrong.
We would have.
I was like, that's the easiest shit, dude. Come on. That's the simplest ask we've done in weeks.
I wonder if I can do conditional formatting on this one while it's doing that. Just like conditional formatting, right? This range.
Oh yeah, like if it's yes, then make it this color.
Yeah.
Yeah. That definitely exists. That exists for sure.
Greater is equal to. And is it this? Can you do it that way? No, I don't know how to do this shit.
Oh god, it's like
Come on, AI, help me out.
we'll cook on this later. Yeah, because this is a whole other. I was using Perplexity for that one. Just like spit out some formulas for me.
What are you doing here, AI? Holy cow. We literally just asked it to.
Yeah, this is such an easy task. This would be a 1-pointer to me. You know what? I'm sorry.
This
This
is
is a 2-pointer. It's a 2-pointer. It's a 2-pointer.
Is it? I think it's a half pointer.
I think it implies a 1-line change to be a 1-pointer, and I think there's too many things that are happening. Maybe I don't know.
It's literally 10 characters. If durability is number, else null.
You're right.
That's
No,
it.
you're right. You're right. You're right. I guess we just have to test it. The irony is we probably wouldn't even need a lot of this later because what do you call it? We're probably just gonna mass upload the whole entire list of items anyway as like a CSV.
It's just hilarious, though. Yeah. So now all it's saying is if the value is null, just ignore it. Don't even try to do insertion
Yep,
or update.
that seems reasonable.
That's funny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, last test on this one, right?
Yep.
Bat wing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Delete. Okay. Bat wing gray. Craft.
You're getting fast at this.
Part. Value is 2 coppers. Weight is 1. Oh, I should have copied the path. Oh, it's right here. That's right. Batwing. 100. Create item. Let me just do this really quickly. Create item.
I'm going to the DB.
Durability 0 on the response.
Oh no, you're joking me.
On the response back from the
Durability is
API.
set to 0 in the database. This is crazy now. This is like the easiest thing.
I'll look at this later. We'll just do a bug for now.
Okay. I'll write it down in linear at least. That's
The
crazy.
problem is durability 0 is an actual value.
I know exactly, but I don't want you to default to that. That's why it's like, yeah,
Durability 0 means that the item's broken,
yeah.
not that it's indestructible.
The item always gets 0 durability on no input, but it's not the tool; it's the backend.
Not the tool, it's the
Yeah,
back end.
because we saw the
100%.
payload as null, right? Yep, durability null. So
100%.
okay, okay, okay.
But just so I don't forget,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to come in here really quickly.
Yep,
Just change that to null,
yep,
just so.
yep, yep.
Also, I don't know why these are fractions. These weights should be integers. That's
Shit.
for
Okay,
another day. But maybe you could take a little
I got that.
fear in there.
I
Just say
will
that
say
weight.
bug items, or I'll say task maybe, or some shit task.
Yeah, it's a task.
Items have weights that are, what do you call them? Decimal numbers. They should be
Decimals. Yeah,
decimals. They
should
should
just be
just be whole
integer.
numbers. Yeah, just be
Yeah.
whole integer. Okay. Task created.
Thank you. All right. What did you want to go on to next? Skills, you said,
Yeah,
or
how about
on
this?
off,
How about
or
this?
NPC?
Yeah, let's commit really quick. And I think that how about we enter plan mode and say I want you to update all the other tabs to be like how skills is right now, because I think we're out of
Stylistically,
date. You know.
the style, you mean?
Oh no, I'm moving past the style. I meant more like, well, do we feel like NPC placement, spawns, character tools? Do we feel like that? Because we just added the cursor rule, so I'm worried that it's not using the same backend typings and stuff and schema as we would want it for all the
Oh,
other
I
ones.
missed the part. You want to add a rule for these, you're saying?
No rule. I think that they're out of date. That's what I'm thinking.
As far as
Like
what?
even if I created a new NPC, it might work, but it might not be referencing the correct types from the backend. Like it might have created its own parallel schema that it was following, which is not good. That's why we just created that cursor rule because we caught that on items. Remember?
Yeah. So what do you want me to say to it?
I would go to plan mode and say skills is the skills tab is currently working as we intend. I want all the other tabs for creating to work as well. I can
The
write that down.
items tab. The items tab is currently working.
Yeah, how about this? I'll type it. The items tab is currently working as intended
Yeah.
for us to create and delete items. I want to update the rest of the tabs that allow me to crud to
Actually, I guess that's one thing I didn't check. I didn't check if you can edit items. I should
yeah.
check that really
That's a good
quickly.
call. I'll finish this prompt.
It updated. Yay.
Cool. Let me know how you think that sounds. I think that would be a good plan mode for it to go through. Um, maybe we'll just note. I think it'll understand I'm talking about game creation, but let me just add that in. 1 second.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, I say we run that, and then let's do some QA
Yeah.
right after on all the other things, because I think it's out of
No, I
date.
think that's great.
Mm-hmm. Fuck, we haven't gone to Quest yet. We need to talk to it about Quest, the right data model to use on Quest.
Quests or dialogue?
Quest dialogue. Yeah. I'm gonna add a rule like
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a great one.
It's ready.
I
Anytime
agree.
cursor AI.
How will it know if it needs clarifying questions, though? That's a good question.
I don't know, but it somehow knows now.
I know. Sure does.
Yeah.
All right. So I am for sure doing this one.
Okay. This is. Oh, what were
I'll
the
go first.
emails?
I'll go first.
Yeah, I forgot what this one was. Oh, I see. I'm gonna say yes because I don't think it has much to do.
Somebody
Wait, but
thought,
how do we test it? Wait, is the implication that we're just gonna be able to create an NPC and do all the other things with no issues?
yeah.
Fuck, no. I'm gonna say no.
All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna say
Yeah.
something's gonna go wrong. It's gonna hit us with some validation error or something. We'll see.
Get post delete only. No back input.
Oh, I
Wow.
see. Huh. Starting gear. No, you don't need to edit starting gear, right? Because you set starting gear. Is that correct?
I don't know what it's actually telling me.
It's saying
Uh,
that right now starting gear doesn't have a put.
yeah, but I'm like, where's that even in here?
I don't know. I don't think it's in here at all.
That's what I'm confused.
Let me look through the code base in actuality. Starting gear.
It is. I do have a starting gear
Yep.
section,
Yeah.
but I don't see it in here.
Oh, okay. So there was a starting gear tab in the other game. Sorry, in the front,
Yeah.
in the admin panel of the other game.
Yep.
The fuck though? Because
I just don't even see it as a tab.
I
It
say
should be a
just.
tab for.
Oh, you think it should be a tab? All right, then
Yeah.
let's go back and let's say ignore the. I don't think we need a put though. Would you agree or disagree?
Uh, well, it should have a put in case we want to add additional items. I mean, you don't need to have a full post where it's
Okay,
basically overwriting everything.
I
It
hear
should
you.
have the ability to do like, okay, now for I don't know whatever background, we can just add an additional item to it.
No, that's cool with me. I was under the impression that it was like a bool on an item that it was starting gear, so I had a misunderstanding of the model. How about we say yes, and this should be a tab in game creation tool, a starting gear in case it's too dumb. Maybe in game creation tool in case this guy's too stupid. Cool.
Yeah, I wonder, was it there before and it got rid of it, or has it never been there and
I
then
don't
I've used?
personally think it was ever there, but I could be wrong. I
Okay,
don't. I don't think it was there.
okay. Uh, is that the one? Is it this one? No, not that one.
Yeah,
This one.
this one.
You just get rid of these so I don't get
Mm-hmm.
confused. I don't think that it knows what the character tools section needs to be, honestly.
Character tool section. Could you reframe that?
Yeah,
Oh, I see. It doesn't know what that quite is, right?
yeah,
What was it supposed to be? I don't even remember.
yeah. So in here, like you would select a character. So actually, in the old world, you would just open up your character screen, and there'd be a little section there for you to add either an item or a skill
Mm-hmm.
on that character while you're walking around.
Okay.
So that's where you could type in Pine Torch on the
I remember
character.
that. Yeah, yeah. And it got
It
moved
would add
over
it
to the
to your
God mode
inventory.
thing. Yep, yep.
That's right. It's part of, yeah, exactly right.
Okay.
I think that it thinks that this is supposed to be that, but it doesn't like allow you to select a character then to add an item or a skill.
Okay, then we'll just figure. That's something we can figure out. I say we scratch that out of the plan.
Yeah. Is
I'll
there a
just
way to
scratch it
delete
out.
this?
Yeah.
Is there a way to like just delete this whole, oops, this row?
Should be. If you just backspace, my hope is there. Cool. Let's just leave that. Yeah. It's not a single implement. Oh yeah. Yep. Fuck. All right. I do need a mono repo this for the long term. Cannot be
Because it
okay.
needs to read it from, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So let's. It's cool the way it is. I will set myself a ticket to mono repo this. Priority. Oh god. Let's see. Mono repo, and then have game creation tool and backend line. Okay.
I'm a little confused on this casing.
What about it? I'm sorry. I'm reading it now.
I don't know. Do you have a preference between camel case or snake case or any other case for that matter?
I like camel case.
Yeah, me too. I guess I don't know where we would have been using snake case, but whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's true or not.
Looks good so far. Yeah, definitely out of scope is the mono repo. I will have to manually do that, unfortunately.
Should I put in here anything about the character tools, or just since
I
it's
say
not
let's leave character tools. Yeah.
Well, we got rid of it, is what I'm saying. Like, so.
And what you were saying is, should we care about it in here?
So I was thinking, as long as it doesn't have any other references in here, I didn't see any other references.
Yeah, I think we're okay. I think we're okay. I didn't see it either. Did you hit save?
Build. No, thank you.
Cool.
All right. Build?
Yeah, let's do it. And then let's go over the sheet. I think I said no and you said yes, right? Yeah, okay, we're good.
Do I have, no, I'm sticking with it.
Okay.
I'm not changing my answer.
Okay.
Come on, AI. Don't do me dirty. I just realized that, unfortunately, I don't, the tool that I'm using, oh, never mind. Hmm.
Oop. Okay. I need a way to have linear, YouTube, and this meet up all at the same time. I'm out of real estate. Okay, should be good for now.
Sounds like a bigger monitor is in need.
I had another one and I had to return it. I was like, shit, I can't. I found my old monitor and it doesn't work. So that's the situation I'm in. I need more space. But then once I had this other monitor, I ended up never looking at it because it was off to the side too much. So I need to figure out a better workflow. This is complicated.
I realized that the bone meal and the bone chips images are 1024 by 1024 instead of the 64 by 64 of all of our icons. And I have a tool that does that, but for some reason I don't have it bookmarked. So, and it was a really good tool.
I wonder if there's a way to just have something mass look through and audit everything and fix everything and post it up. Because you already have an Excel sheet of all the items. There's got to be a way that's like, all right, now post all this shit up, you know?
Unfortunately, this is only a tiny number of the items.
Oh, I see. So is there another sheet for that, or is this basically all you've come up with so far, and that's basically it?
All I've come up with so far,
Got
there's
it.
going to be hundreds, if not thousands, more items.
Yeah. Well, at least
yeah.
there's got to be an easy way to mass or bulk update or bulk upload. I think that'll be chill in the future.
I assume in today's day and age, all this menial task stuff can be shipped off to AI.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the whole point of this channel is to figure that out.
Yeah. No, that's super easy now. Super easy now for bulk update. Now the only hard part is you have to manually think up ideas because if you give it all to AI, then it's like an AI's game.
I just wish I remember which one I was using because it was really, really good. I don't know if this was it or not. I'll play around with it later. I don't trust that site to not eat my data.
Yeah.
All right. What are you doing here, AI? Oh my gosh. I've been trying to wake up consistently.
Early, right?
Early. It's not working very well.
I'm not a morning guy, so I will never attempt this challenge in true.
Have you ever heard of chronotypes?
Chronotypes? No, I can't say I have.
All right. I just learned about chronotypes this past weekend, or maybe it was the weekend before that.
I appreciate people bring attention to this because, motherfucker, like, why? Like, the start of the day is relative. You know,
it sure is.
You decided this, not me.
That's right. The Bears did.
I work really well in the middle of the night at like 2 or 3 a.m.
That's because you're a wolf. You're a wolf. You're not a bear or a lion or a dolphin. You got to go look up chronotypes.
Yeah,
It'll make a lot more sense.
I see it. But they still have all these homies waking up before 8 a.m. and I'm like, that's just not right.
Wolves are night owls. Wolves are the ones who don't get going until much later.
Yeah. They have like an ideal. I'm looking at just like an infographic, and it's like the ideal sleep routine, and it's like everybody wakes up at early. The earliest waker upper is 6:30 a.m. Oh, sorry, 5:30 a.m. and the wolf wakes up at 7 a.m. and I'm like, yeah, that's still too early.
Yeah, that's too early. Way too early.
Yeah.
I guess we give this
a run skis.
Smoke test skills, blah blah blah. Mm-hmm. Commit only source changes, blah blah blah. Mm-hmm, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So, well, first things first. I thought it was supposed to add a starting gear.
It didn't do that. Oh, it did. It did. I see it. It's under skills. It alphabetized it. I thought it'd be the underneath.
Oh, sure did.
Yeah. We're good. We're good.
That's weird. Why did it say failed to load starting gear?
Can you do a in network tab check? Let's see, and then hit a refresh. Let's see what the error is. So starting gear 401 invalid or okay, okay. So maybe log out and log back in. So we need to figure out this token thing still. It's still being a pain in the ass. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Maybe add a batwing or something as a test.
Can't
And then
read that very well. Can you?
you mean the text color?
Yeah.
No, it sucks, but I'm just gonna let UI be a pass for just right
Yeah.
now. And
Yep.
I will go ahead and go on to dev and create a character once you add this, and hopefully it works.
So the fighter class, I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
add an apple.
Cool. And then can you
The
do me
issue is,
and keep the network tab up right before you hit it, just in case. But yeah. And sorry, you're gonna say
the
the issue?
issue is, I'm guessing that you will not show up with a backpack. And so the apple will not show up in your inventory, but it will show up in the database
I see.
because there's still a bug right now, an outstanding bug where the
That's right.
backpack isn't getting automatically equipped. We need to
Then
fix that with
then I
this.
guess let's just use the database as a source of truth. If it works in the
Yep.
database, we just have to assume that it's working in
Yep.
other ways. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm good with that. Yeah, you're
All
right.
right. So class fighter, apple one. I'm going to add starting gear here.
Oh, starting gear is its own table. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. So it said that it added it. And then character starting gear.
I'm not sure off of the IDs, but I can look at dates. I don't see anything new. Let me refresh. Oop, let me see. I see it, I think. It should be row. Oh, there's no numbers on the side. Never mind. Yeah, I see it. It's the like eighth from the top.
Well, the ID should tell you what it is.
It for view referencing, right? Is that what you're thinking?
Oh, sorry. I'm in the wrong table.
Yeah. So starting gear, it should be the 6A, like eighth from the top.
Yeah, the
Six.
spider here.
No, further up is what I'm thinking.
Well, this is a rusty bronze
Yeah, yeah,
sword.
yeah. I see what you're saying. I did find it then. Yeah, I found it. It's like
Come with mighty strike.
yeah, 6A468 for the ID. That one.
Six eight
Yep.
four six eight.
Yep.
Apple.
Yeah. Okay. Looking good.
Yeah. So in theory, if we created a fighter and the backpack worked, it would show up in the backpack.
Yes. Yes. And it's at least going to the database, so we have to fix the backpack thing, but that'll come. Yeah. 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 I'm on the same page.
So that worked.
Okay.
I guess I could technically delete it from the fighter class just to
Do
check.
it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no. Do it. Do it.
Hopefully that's the right delete button.
I think we're good. Can you imagine
I'm
if that was
scarred.
wrong? Can you
I'm
imagine? Oh
scarred
man, that'd be
now.
so funny. Oh, but we can add a backpack to the starting gear, right? Or is it already added and it's not showing up?
It's already there. It's just not showing up when the character
Weird.
is created.
Weird.
You
Okay.
can kind of see like fighter has backpack in here already.
Yeah, got it. Okay. All right then. Oh man, what's next then? Is the quest dialogue the stuff that we need to care about next in actuality, or should we just do more QA on what exists? Do you have any thoughts?
I'd like to just do quickly,
Yeah.
like go through these.
Yeah.
Um, that's interesting. It should have loaded, unless I didn't add. Okay, so it looks like maybe I didn't add them all, but like
Mm-hmm.
images, skills, one-handed slash is there, so that's good. I just must not have loaded some of these skills.
Is Mighty Strike on there?
Should be, but we can go look.
Yep.
Mighty Strike.
So
Yep.
okay, I think we're okay. Looks okay.
At least it's loading it.
Yeah.
Um, okay. NPCs. Is there anything that we wanted to do with this?
I think we just have to either create an NPC and then update it and then delete it. I think that's the yeah.
Ugly mofo. Not very smart. No empathy. Very lucky. Well, it did something.
I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna hit to the restroom. 1 sec.
Okay. Looked like it saved it. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, I don't want to be Wesley. Oh, you know what? I bet this is going to log me out of the GC tool as well. Let's see what
Okay.
happens here. So I just wanted to quickly check Jasper. I'm going
Nice.
to add a spider silk. Add. And then
It works. Hey, pretty cool.
got my first spider silk.
Pretty
Obviously, the
cool.
tooltip is off screen, but that's all good. I'm rich. I got a spider silk.
It only has one weight. It's light.
Yeah, super light. Yeah.
Cool. I'm on dev too. Oh, I timed out. Wait, no, I'm back. What's up, dude?
I was wondering if that was if that was an artifact or if that was really there.
Yeah, that was me. But I timed out and then I clicked something and I timed back in. So that's a little bit interesting.
So honestly, everything works here except for NPC placement. But maybe I'm not sure what it was supposed to be. Junction, select an NPC, like
Yes, I remember. If I remember this correctly, this was an issue. Well, sorry, it was working before, but you could only place one NPC at a time, and the issue was we had wanted them to be groups. But so then I told them to add groups, and I don't know if we tested that yet. That's where I feel like we left off.
so. Aside from this one, I think it nailed everything else,
Mm,
honestly.
cool. Okay. Cool.
So we do have to come back to the NPC map placement in
Mm-hmm.
order to do this properly.
Okay.
But assuming NPC map placement gets done, then in theory, you could be editing some NPC on the tool,
Yeah.
add placement, and then as I'm walking around, it should show up.
Pretty cool, right? I like it.
After I refresh, I think I'd have to refresh.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to figure out how to make it socket based so that it'll update on live. That'd be cool.
That would be really
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah. That should be not too big of a lift eventually. Yeah.
Let me just quickly check something since I'm here. I want to. Oh, aha. Okay. So he aggroed me because of the level difference. Oh, interesting. It only hit for 2. I would have expected him to hit for much more than that. We have to look at the combat formula. Also, I just want to check really
How
quickly.
did you aggro him, by the way? I thought he was a friendly NPC. Oh, because you mighty striked him or something. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember.
Let me just check something really quickly. No, it saved it. It saved it properly. Can you just make a real note for me
Yeah.
to check the melee combat formula?
And what would you like that to be, just to give yourself some context later?
Check that the formula is using the correct might and level difference when determining damage.
Okay. I'm going to say you aggroed Zim and he's being kind of weak.
Yeah, so this light here, you see this drill sergeant Zim hits Jasper in the legs for 2 damage.
Yep, he should be doing a,
And
like, catastrophic damage to you. I understand.
he should be like 50 damage or something
Yeah, yeah,
crazy.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Um, well, okay. Flee! Okay.
You ran across the other side of the map. I like it.
I sure did. Like, I ain't messing with those Zim.
So how about this? I'm gonna create a game creation tool remaining features. We wanted basically like, can you go to the NPC tab real quick? Is that where dialogue would be, or
Yeah.
can you do
Yep.
a? So we have okay. If you could scroll down, I just want to see. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So I would venture to guess everything is technically working. We just now need to edit um,
Well,
a couple things, and that's it.
this this doesn't really like shouldn't there be
Like a tree structure, right? Yeah.
yeah,
No, no,
I
no. I'm
mean,
aware. I'm aware. I'm aware. But it's because we did an array. Remember? So, but
but even then,
the array doesn't have. It doesn't come in and bring in the extra features of the array. I'm right there with. No, I see eye to eye. So, let's see. The NPC tab needs to have dialogue settings more fleshed out. Right now, it's not showing how dialogues tie with one
yeah.
another.
I
Okay.
think I think that's what we should probably do next episode.
Mm-hmm.
Let's really go into dialogue
Yep.
and the dialogue tree and let's edit this tool to allow us to do that.
Yeah. I'm into it. I'm into it because that'll be like killing two birds with one stone. Are there any other things on any of the other tabs that you had noticed? Because I recall spawn groups or something was weird, right?
Yeah. Well, like which one? The NPC placement?
I guess I wasn't sure. Yeah, whichever one. If we go to NPC placement, maybe we can talk about
Yeah.
what needs to get done there.
I didn't even play around with these, but let's look at this. This is looks correct on the loot table. The spawn objects looks fine.
Okay.
The only thing that it doesn't have, oh, placement. There we go. Oh, that's interesting. Oh yeah,
Is it technically working?
yeah.
Okay. Ugly, but technically working is something we can work with, Yeah.
Except I can't edit. I need to be able to edit
Okay.
this stuff.
Unable to. Oh, but that's because it's going to want you to edit the item in the items tab. But you want to be able to click it and then go to the items tab, maybe, right? To edit the item. What do you think?
What do you mean?
So right now you're looking at items, and what is it that you want to edit? Did you want to edit the spawn, basically?
So yeah, I'm not looking at items. I'm looking at spawn objects. So the apple tree
Yep.
is a spawn object
Yep.
with position 2634. I want to be able to click on it and change the position to 2734.
Yep. We want to be. I follow. We want to be able to click a placed spawn and change its position. Okay. And respawn.
And respawn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Respawn time. Okay.
Although actually the respawn time is part of the definition.
In placement, is it
Which
somewhere there or no?
It's right here. So
Okay.
which is fine, but the location definitely needs to be.
Yeah. Yep, I understand. I pick up what you're putting down. So if you click Oak Tree, does it switch over to that one? Is that what happens? Or I see.
Yep,
Okay, shitty UI, love it, but it works. Unable to edit. Okay, in the unable to edit. Okay,
I like this. It did this correct.
okay,
It did this correct though.
okay.
So you need a wood cutting skill in order to chop it down. So that's great.
And I'm sorry, that was I was under NPC placement taking notes. That's spawns that this all happened in, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is under spawns. Yeah,
Can we check out NPC placement now?
yep.
Let's see.
Yeah, this is just broken. I
This
don't
doesn't
know
even
how to
make
do
sense,
this.
right? Doesn't even work. What are some requirements for this? If you could spell it out for me, I'm trying to remember.
So this is good. We should
Hmm.
have a map. I mean, it should really just be like spawns, I think. Like, okay, in the sense that, okay, I'm chosen a. All right, let's go back in here. So I've chosen a map. Okay, let's just say
Hmm.
junction. And it's at this location. I want to select an NPC. I guess I can add a group to it. I This sort of works,
It
right? So I
doesn't
can
quite
do,
work. We need to be able to create NPC groups that then we attach, though.
yeah.
So hold up. It's how would I note this? I'm gonna say
Although
when
no, isn't this working?
no because now. Oh wait, it is because then you can add another spawn location and have it be. Can you click another add spawn location?
I think I want to save this one first, right?
Just do add. Yeah. Okay, I see. And there's not even a save button. It looks like. Oh, I see on the
It's
bottom.
down here.
Okay. Okay.
It's down here.
No, no, no. Then
So like,
groups work. Then groups work. They work. Okay.
so I want to do like 6 of these and
Cool.
five.
Okay. Okay.
If I choose 5 archers, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I could choose like, I don't know, like if there was a lieutenant or
Yeah,
something, I
yeah,
could
yeah.
choose lieutenant.
This might technically work already.
I think this does work.
Okay. Then cool. No, that's good news. Shitty UI, but it works, and I'll take it. So
I mean, I
adding.
guess I didn't test.
Oh right.
Let me save it. Let me save this.
Yeah.
Uh, shit, I don't know. Let's do 6513. That's near the entrance.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just gonna add like 3 brown spiders and
Mm-hmm.
one brown spider like this.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see what it
Let's
does.
see the network tab. Looks good. Awesome. I love how this one gives you an alert and the other ones don't. This is so
I
random.
know. So let's go in here,
Is that
right?
spawn groups? Spawn objects?
Yeah. Zone spawns.
Zone spawns, got it.
So in theory, there should be a 3 and a 1 in here. There it is right here. So it did save that, and it's today's date. Well, tomorrow's date.
Yes. So we can go into the game and in theory see the homies, is the
In
hope.
theory,
Oh shit, I'm in battle with Zim. That's not good. Alright, we're out, we're out, we're out, we're out, we're out. We're good, we're good. Alright, cool. I don't know why me and Zim were fighting. I didn't do anything to him. You said this is near the entrance? Oh, I'm following you, Jasper.
well, it didn't load it. I would have expected it to be right here. Although to be fair, we can't see the spiders right now. The spiders aren't spawning. Like
Mm-hmm.
maybe I should have picked Grar or something. Where am I at? I'm at 5612. So I'm gonna aggro Zim, I'm pretty sure. Don't aggro. I don't even remember where I put him. Where did we put him?
Something 5613?
6513.
5513. Okay. Yeah,
6513.
65. Okay, yeah.
So which is really close to Zim actually.
So there should be a group somewhere. Oh, I got aggroed by Zim. Leave me alone.
Oh shit. Comment initiated by Zim. Oh crap.
Sucker, I'm out of here.
Oh no! Here, let's do this. This is
Hmm.
it's here. Let me just do something really quickly. Oh, that's the other thing. I bet we gotta change the logic for aggro. I'll have to fix that. Let me just put the aggro radius right now. Isn't no for Zim. And then I gotta I gotta change me.
I see something.
I know you have to look for the little
Yeah,
placard up top.
that's exactly what I'm doing. I
Yep.
couldn't find it. I think also there's no guarantee that even though it's in the database, it actually spawned into the game because of the times, right? So
Because of what?
because of times and stuff. Like, I'm wondering if there's like respawn times stuff that it needs to hit a certain cycle before they come up or something, or is that? Oh, I found them.
Did you?
I think I was clicking around and it gave me a group. Let me see. Oh, maybe it was. Maybe that was you. Are you like hitting it off to the corner right now? I see Jasper floating off in the distance.
Yeah, I gotta. Damn it.
I swear I found it for a second, arachnid group, but that was probably wrong. Okay, I'm not sure.
It is in the database though, so that's a good sign.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not localhost. It's dev. Why in the hell is it not updating? What the hell is going on here?
Okay, so just to interrupt, back on the tool, it seems like only the NPC tab needed some stuff, and that's the dialogue episode, we'll say, and then spawns. We just need to be able to place a spawn location, or did we figure out that worked? Unable to edit it. Yeah, we could. No, we needed that for spawns. NPC placement is technically working, right?
I think everything is technically working.
Except for spawns, we're unable to create a position for it.
Right.
Yeah,
Yes,
don't
you're
worry.
right.
Which isn't technically not working. It just doesn't work. So okay, okay, cool.
I think I screwed up.
Okay, cool.
Let's go back in here. Yeah.
And
Yeah,
what was
we just need
character tools? Character tools. I'm trying to remember. Does that work now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I added a spider silk.
Yep. And that worked. That's right. Okay. Okay. Awesome. We're in a good place for the game creation tool, I'd say, overall.
I think so.
Yeah. Now it's just the quest dialogue will be the most important thing to figure out. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. That was productive today.
That was a very productive day.
Yeah.
What are we on this though?
I think you got it right. I think you got it. Yeah, I think it's fine. I'm tanking right now. I'm gonna rebuild until I trust AI some more.
Outro, you got any plugs going on?
I had one earlier today and I forgot. I guess the only thing that is top of mind, I have not been gaming a lot recently, just because I've been studying. But they leaked that Ocarina of Time is getting a remake. Did you ever play that game?
I played Ocarina of Time originally, but I can't remember much about it. I remember it was a lot of fun though.
Got it. It's like one of my favorite games ever. I think like a lot of my imagination around fantasy is based around that game. So I'm beyond excited. That's pretty much the only plug I really got. Otherwise, I had something earlier today and I forgot. I was like, I'm gonna be prepared today.
And here you are.
I know, but I kind of plugged the new game coming out. That's all I got.
Yep. I'll plug the Yukon Huskies. I don't know if you watched any college basketball this week. I know you're not a big
I
college
saw the
basketball
highlight
fan.
though. Yeah,
Did you really?
yeah.
Oh my gosh, this was so well. One, I was doing yard work this weekend and trying to pull up weeds and whatnot, and so it's like, okay, the Michigan game was not. This was on Sunday. The Michigan game, it was really boring. They were
Mm-hmm.
just destroying Tennessee. Tennessee, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then the UConn and Duke game is the same way. It's like Duke was up by 19. I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna go do some more weeding. I checked like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes later, and suddenly UConn's only down by like
Mm-hmm.
7. I can see they're on a little run. So I'll come back in, watch the game, get down to that very last 2 seconds, and just like, what in the world are they thinking? All you need to do is hold the ball. Just hold the ball. So just an incredible, ridiculous finish to that game. But karma being what it is, the Duke ladies team, the NCAA women, I don't know if you saw that, they were up against LSU, a perennial powerhouse. They were down by 2 with 2 seconds left. No, maybe it was 4 seconds. It was an out of bounds, inbounds play, inbounds, 3-pointer, dribble once, shoot, score. So the Duke women balanced out the Duke men because you can't have both in the Final Four.
I was so
So
sad for the Boozer brothers. They were so depressed on the post games. I was like, damn, this is what I think. Caden was like, this is like the last time I'm ever gonna get to play with my brother, and it ended this way. And I was like, God damn, dude, I'm so sad for you now.
it doesn't have to be that way. Just stay in college.
He's not. Cameron Boozer is not staying in college. He's gonna go top
No,
three.
I know.
Yeah,
I'm just saying he could.
that's true. That's true. Or Caden, you could get better.
That's right. Exactly. 100%.
You should just casually get better at this.
Just get better, dude.
Just get better.
All
No, that's awesome. So
right.
you're like all in on the college ball stuff. Then you're like deep in it. You're like, did you catch most of the games mainly?
Yeah, I watched almost all of the, Sweet 16
Shit. So
games.
you love March Madness.
I do, but it's just, especially when Purdue's in it. That's
Got
why.
it. I was
I
gonna
want to
bug you
assess the
about.
competition.
I was gonna bug you about that. I'm surprised they played in San Jose. I'm surprised you didn't try to get seats or something.
I know my college roommates were saying, "Hey, I should go down there," but that's all right. I didn't want to drive 2.5, 3 hours, and then ultimately be disappointed when they lose because they were going to lose. They barely got by Texas, so
I
I
just
knew they were
signed.
going to lose Arizona.
I just signed up for pre-sales. I think it's in 2027, so next year that they're coming because they played a lot of games in Golden One. So
Yeah,
I signed up for pre-sales for next year. So I say we go, dude.
absolutely. I'll go. I
Cool.
didn't, like I didn't know you were a college basketball
I'm
fan.
not. I'm not. I just like live sports, honestly.
Yeah, excellent.
All
All
right.
right. Well, good episode.
Good sesh, dude. I'll talk
Well
to you
done.
soon.
Oh, let me
Oh yeah.
let me commit all this.
Good
What do
idea.
you mean? For sure. Commit and push.
But actually, Tell the AI, but actually do it.
Yeah. Don't leave anything with an M. I don't want to see any M's down here.
It's too
We'll
funny.
see. Why is it thinking? Literally, what are you doing?
It's burning a lot for a dumb two-liner. Verify staged files before commit. Create a commit with descriptive. Yeah, reason. I mean, it's a little slow for this. Is all.
Why did it update the map.txt file?
Left uncommitted junction map. It's saying that was uncommitted though. Huh.
But it shouldn't be updating this at all.
I'm not sure, dude. That's sketchy.
It's because of the spawns. This is the spawn objects and the NPC spawns. It's updating the maps.txt rather than the database, or both. Could be
I'm
doing
not
both.
sure. I'm not sure. That's sketchy to me because I didn't touch anything with that, so I'm actually unfamiliar with that map.txt concept.
Yeah, I'm sure it read it because this is what things originally were loaded off of.
Got it. Okay. Huh. So maybe cleanup day. get rid of all references, get rid of God mode on the front end. I'm trying to think like what else is there to unhook us because we're now cloud based, right? So clean up shit, get rid of God mode and other things on front end, get rid of map files, right? Get rid of
No,
map.txts.
no, we definitely need them,
Okay.
but they're going to change when we start using tiled to do our map creation.
Oh, okay. So they're still being read right now.
Yep.
Then I will not leave that. So there's not much cleanup to do other than get rid of God mode on the front end. I can't think of anything else, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good call. Okay, I have noted that as an issue. Oh my god, we have so many issues now. You know what? If we spent dedicated amount of time just like chilling and crushing through, I bet we could get a lot of this done pretty quick. Yep. But it's like so much of it's like, fuck, do I do the postman? Do I do the mono repo? Do I work on the bugs? It's like so much to do. If any viewers see this, if you would like to be an intern, please reach out to me.
Absolutely. You want your name in the credits?
Yeah,
you want to have the glory that comes with making a game, put it on your resume.
You will be a permanent NPC that walks around. You can have any powers you want, whatever. Yeah, let us know because we need help.
Yep. 100%.
And I kept my eyes on the chat and the stuff today. Hawked it. No one showed up today, so I'm good.
All right. It's Monday.
Awesome. All right.
All right.
Take care, dude.